No, but seriously, folks, we're going to bring down 2 audience members to supply some sound effects for us. Please volunteer. Bam! 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Come on down, ladies. Nice. Round of applause for our audience members. So, hi guys.
1, check 2.
Hell yeah, welcome to the show. For the audience, of course, your name, lovely ladies.
Mercedes. Benz.
Mercedes and Benz. You're stuck right now. So, Mercedes and Benz, we're going to bring out, actually, let's do this, Scott and Aaron. Scott and Aaron, come on down. And, everybody calm down. So here's how our game's going to work, is we're going to give Benz to Scotty, and we're going to give... That's right. You're going to come up way too fast.
Somebody get me to a pressure chamber.
That's right. Enjoy that extra nitrogen. And we're going to give Mercedes to Aaron. Ladies, here's what you're going to do for us. During the course of the scene, the actors are going to be interacting, pantomiming with these, of course. But our volunteers... Are we paying attention? No, we're not, are we? I'll just put your gum out because you didn't bring them up for everybody.
I got 15 pack in my car, no even joke.
Silence! So, Mercedes, you're with Aaron.
Okay.
Mercedes with Aaron.
Okay.
Okay. And you are going to supply all of the sound effects for Aaron. And Benz, you're going to supply all the sound effects for Scott. That's how our game's going to work. What I need from you guys now is, actually, I heard earlier, was the tough man job from you? Construction worker. Let's go ahead and get into some construction, shall we? Construction worker, here we go.
Oh, howdy. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's heavy. Oh. Oh, look, it's my pouch. It's a sandwich. I peel myself. Squeak. No fair. You suck. Where's mine? Oh, it's Oh, it's shiny. Oh, I wonder if I can do that. Oh no! Oh God! Oh no! Do What was that? Oh, I hear a dog. It's always let's go for the dog. No? And then afterward, guys, you're gonna think of it. Put the dog down, put the dog down, put the dog down. Put a heart back. Ding, ding, ding. Where's my hammer? I got where's the hammer? Wait a minute. Ow! No hat on. Oh yeah, yeah. Look at you with a big old hat. Yeah, I'm smart over here. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Why did you? There's a little red flashing light. Put it on! Oh, no! Oh, ready? Put it down! Oh, I killed it. So you don't know what it is either. See, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. It's nice. God damn, you're so hurt myself at work. I don't like No, I just didn't know why I got how much anymore. So, I'm gonna fix it.